Hi everyone, this is Jessie Ugiegbe. My message, I want to talk about forgiveness. And my message, I have other message to many people out there. Thank you very much. Please go and subscribe to Jessie Ugiegbe TV. And you will watch more about Jessie Ugiegbe. When I finish this video, I go to block it up and take it down to YouTube, Jessie Ugiegbe TV channel. Thank you all. Please, if you know you are my friend and you love what I'm talking about, you love what I'm saying, and you love me, kindly share the video. God bless you all. Thank you, everyone. Just give me a minute. Yeah, this is Jessie Ugiegbe. Join me to share the video. Invite your friends. I want to talk about forgiveness first. Forgiveness is a, let me just go to Pidgin English. I'm sorry, everyone. Forgiveness, now waiting is easy. And sometimes, now waiting is not still easy. Forgiveness. Everybody mind not be the same. Everybody not be the same. Make una not verse for my broken because it's not still easy to speak broken. If you dey do waiting, you know say it not right. May you quick comot your hand for that thing before you go jam some people when we say they not feel they forgive person. Some people dey to forgive person for their hearts. If they hard well when we say some people dey for them to forgive, they not they look at as anything. When I know say all those kind of things when we talk about forgiveness, now hearts, now it dey. If you want forgive person, now your spirits. Some people there when you go they do something, you will say tomorrow you will go beggar. That's why many people they hard to forgive. That person will take her with one language that person that is you know what he do me. I beg, men are not verse. I see na Pidgin English I want to use. I go the miss. I don't know if I don't even know what they happen safe. So some people say when they say you go forgive, you go offend, you go look and say maybe you don't know what you did too. According to Jesus Christ. Some people say when they say you go offend, he go tell you say today not today. He no go lie forgive you. You go offend some people for many ways, you understand? So you no go know say that this kind of thing, maybe now where you for offend that person, it not just good at all. Now where that person no go feel forget for life. And now waiting that person no go feel forget for life. Maybe you don't bring people down, where to eat, all those things. So another thing, when I go still tell my people, I beg, may we learn how to forgive. I know say no. Good evening, my darling. Everybody, good afternoon. Sorry, good afternoon. Everybody, good afternoon. So it's not that easy to forgive, and in another way, still that easy to forgive because everybody not be the same. You feel do me something, I feel forgive you, but I don't feel forget. You understand? That's when you do me. I feel tell you say, I don't forgive you, I don't forget. That one a lie. Because if I go remember that thing, even though I forgive you, but I don't feel forget. Because if I go remember that thing when you do me, I feel reason now say this thing, this person when he do it to me, purposely do this thing when he do to me, my people. You understand? So that is why forgiveness is so very difficult for some people when it's easy for some people. Some people, it depends on what you take offend that person. Depends of what you take offend that person. You understand? So now be the key of everything about forgiveness. Another, I just want to do short video. Just share it to your friend. Share it. If you like the topic, you can share it, not by force. If you cannot still share it, you leave it. That is not, it's not by force. You understand? Not by force. So if you like, you share it. If you don't like, not share it. You understand? So another one, the video when I want to do so very short video. If I just finish for here, I will block the video, carry out to my YouTube channel, Jesse Ugiagbe TV. So this about forgiveness. Forgiveness, so they talk, they come. Depends of what you do, person. You know, if you carry person picking, you kill and you go say make it forgive you. Where person they eat, you bring them down. You say make it forgive you. Do you understand? But I know say now only God they take the final decision. Now only God they forgive person. We the human being will not get the right to say no, I will not forget. And another thing, my people, if person come out, come say, hey, I'm sorry. Sometimes it's still good. More will see they look back. Sometimes the place of the offense, just leave it for God. Leave and make God judge that person. They're very important. If God the judge. If you say make you judge, you not go feel judge that matter. You understand? As if they hurt for your mind, you not go feel judge that matter. So my people, make I tell you now one thing today. If they do wrong thing, anything where you they do, I beg they think twice. If this thing person do it to me, will I like it? I go like her or I not go like her. Before you do it to people, make you the try, make you the reason. I beg before you come and come the beg. That is it. My lovely people, this message I have for you guys today, and another topic. I said I want to talk to my people, a lot of people, Benin people, Ishan people, many people. You understand? So I'm sorry to mention somebody's name, something like Akbaika and Ivie. You understand? Not that I'm afraid of trouble, but I don't want. You understand? So I heard that I've never even watched the video. I heard that I hear say I hear say this girl, she come do an apology, Monica. She come do apology for many people when she offend, of which a lot of people they when she not go even still remember. You understand? I know that kind of thing now. So if Yenivie come and they begin to insult people when it be say that is when he say he not go feel forgive her. You understand? People there when you go say, what did Monica do me? I not go feel forgive her. You understand? People there when you go say, make it let her go. I beg, don't finish it, don't finish it. You understand? So one thing when I want to let you know, if you my sister, me I tell you one thing. I know say as I talk this video, if you still come and come insult me, but now advice now I want to give you so. If you like, take. If not like, throw away. Tomorrow, even today, if you come and come insult me, I don't give a damn. I don't care. You understand? I don't say I know they reply all those things. You understand? Because I be mother. Why they talk all those things? I be mother of 3 kids. Now I be. You understand? So anything, anywhere. I don't say this thing they come. They always talk. Say all those problems one they put in the hand. Don't be waiting correct. Don't be waiting good. Good name is better than richness. And they already talk. Do you understand? So good name is better than richness. Anything when you do, they look back. If you don't, they born. If you don't even look your eyes, anything will happen today. What about the children when you born for life? You understand? So Monica, when he come out, come apologize to people, say, I beg make this one forgive me. Everybody, even the one when you remember, the one when you don't remember, make una forgive me. That girl no waiting, make and come out. She no fit tell you. You understand? She no fit tell you, say, see why I come out, come the beg. She no waiting she dey pass through, and she no waiting she see before she come out, come dey seek for apologies. You understand? Because she don't talk her before, say she no go beg for anybody. She no go make apology to anybody. She no go tell anybody sorry. But today, are you not surprised that she just come out and say, I'm sorry? I beg my lovely people, I will still use this opportunity to beg everyone that is really involved in this issue. Just try to let go. You understand? Not that that lady will just come out to be insulting, putting salt on top of injury. You not be waiting good, my sister, because you know the settle issue. You know the help issue. You the increase issue. You understand? Benin they make one parable say, who wear shoe? Now you know where the pain now. You understand? Person when you wear shoe for leg, now you know where that shoe for the pain now. Or not be better I can not here I will wear. Anybody when we say he do something, he say I say that thing not good. He apologize. You understand? Forget about that. When anybody will not say I not go forgive her. Leave those people for God. To judge them. Not for you to come out again and be that is for you to come out again. You go they insult people when say I no go forgive. Do you understand? Everybody get the right to say, hey, the Monica will be here to your boy. Do you understand? I say, what Monica do me? They carry my picture come at that time, and many people see her. Do you understand? I believe say my mother-in-law call. Say, I bet this matter, Monica, forget it, forget. But you still call me say, my wife, I bet forget it for this matter. I forget. I know they always they talk and say, I know they repeat, I know they reply all those things. Good afternoon, my darling. Good afternoon. I know they reply all those things. You understand? So, person come out, he come beg. Una know this matter is going to over 3 months now. Even if I not made the mistake, they go about over a month now. You understand? Since when this quarantine, this coronavirus start, this matter they grant. You understand? So before person come out like that, come they say, I beg everybody make una forgive me. Una go still see the video when she come and say, I not go beg anybody. They never bought that person. That person will go beg. What did don't do people now? No. Por favor. So all those things. Today she come and she can say, I'm sorry. Not be saying a person force her to say I am sorry. Not be saying a person tell her, go tell her then say you I'm sorry. It depends of what she's passing through. Do you understand? What me I believe, now be that one. If you like it, take it. If you don't like, leave it. I don't care. You understand? Now, what I believe, now be that one. I believe say before you go come out, come they say, make una no vessel, make una forgive me, oh, make this one forgive me, oh, make this one forgive me, oh. You can't carry your precious son, come out, come to the peg. Do you understand? She know waiting, she they see for body. When we say, you know, if he explain to anybody apart from she and his family. Thank you, my darling mommy. Wow, thank you. You understand? Waiting she they pass through for body. When we say you, when you say you be VA, you not go feel know that thing. I'm telling you the truth. If you like, you come out, you insult me. Oh, I don't care. You understand? I not go still reply you. That is me, JC. Who get me? You understand? So that is it, my people. I beg. Wait, if you want to support Monica for one thing, if you understand? If you want to support Monica for one thing. You have to come out again and be saying, please, please, please to people. You understand? You have to come out and say, oh, I'm sorry, according to you, my sister. My sister say, I'm sorry, please. You that said that you will not forgive her. Nobody's above mistake. I bear me not forgive her. If you do her for Monica for 1 week, not be bad thing. If you even do her for 1 month, not be bad thing, my sister. For you to come out to the insult people that say, I will not forgive Monica. Monica really hurts me. Monica really do this. You are not helping issue, my sister. You are not helping issue because you are putting salt for injury when it take grant, my sister. Person when it come out, she know why she come out. She know why she come out. My sister, I beg, make una dey stop all those things. Make una dey stop all those things. Thank you, my brother, for sharing the video. Thank you. Make una dey stop am. Make una no dey put person for problem. You go say you dey person side. You know say you not dey the best. You not dey that side of that person. You want put her for trouble with level. You understand? So all those kinds, you no get help. You not just get help at all. For you to come out to the insult again, person come and they beg. He carry your son, come out. Wala, when you need your face, why you born, wala, wala, we might tell me or anyhow, I'm not able, you might tell me why you born, wala, wo. You understand your mommy face? Good afternoon, my darling. So, you understand? So, una go say, before this, una not go sit down, you go sit down, make you reason. Before this lady come out, as Monica Ruth rich, before she come out, you don't know what she they pass through. She don't go fish share her with you. And baby, you go join her. Excuse me. Hello? All right. Thank you. What's here? Okay. Now see, I say I never watched the video now. So they say now her daughter, now she bring comments. You understand? Before she come bring her daughter come and say, I beg go, make una forgive my mommy, make una do this one. She know what she dey pass through. You go join her if you want make the issue solve. If you go join her, say wala wo wala we no react akomoda me gbe edo ya bitan ari obo gbera la ofie mi wala wo waya boy wala wo we sun de ba ya sunu je eni e ma no we forgive mommy nene mi ije no poko sister ya boy la wo eno bono ya gbo bi mo ya fi isi ekegbe omoda gi abi omoda gi agbuwa wala wo agbo ya fefefe. When if everybody see that video, when you go take do that apology self, it go touch many people's hearts. You understand? Even edo ya bitan or when na eme ona ajewe na ge ikun ogwa ununa ayamu eyoto eme na beje na ge ihe nekere nekwi ununa awe ya kin owe ya kin ikun ogwa already pains when we address someone my sister. You understand? Because every opero ya say ori opero negwa weme, but everybody they just they respect because of the case. Rudemo, do you understand? I hear the matter say even though Monica, no, for me, she insult me, they bring my picture, she with Lolo, I talk. I enter house. Only that day, I just talk. I say, Lolo, what take away now? My take one now. I just sit talk. I forget. That will not be anything. I understand the way. If you're my sister, I agree. Because say, yeah, what will that? But I think you when we go to see about me, if I use that language, I agree. And I think you when we do me, yeah, what that? But what we do here? I understand the way now. Hey, but to say about that, when we take time away, not no. I understand the way. When I go here, oh, me feel more. Phyllis Ogomona agegie ne doti agegie agboya won eme so ro wa bi ebe se mo na ti agegie mo eme so wa ro o wa bi o ewe obi mi no ni ke agbeyen fi ene o me fe sie ku ani ba we baba wo sunu na o modo ayore strength is no ma sunu de do sunu e dagmo money ijo money o ene gbe ene wọ́n da sani mena ija money o enegbe enebo wi sunu baba wewe mani ma we gba we gube kiwe de ra no wewe bi eno to ma we de wi an show me ra no o se na me we ija mo ga bi ene emi ke nu riri awu wa e venu ya fie mi ye u gon bo ko su mama no kugun a e ko ya opa ika tsana we ezalo sunu ne Monica kekebe lolo ma ya wa ti bi we it's not ordinary and that we are farmer clear. I say it a lot of people. In a way, those people, they are not themselves. Once one language being people enter their own body, one language being one feel we are to have it's not there, it's talking. My people. One language being one feel we are because if Anthony Makere, we know where we are coming from. Really. We are do making. Edo be sound ba mayaki. What does that mean now? Edo when the baby so but also. Say don't makere ni ya. Madam anywhere a Bible a church raw. A church raw with the lay now. But only my ye ma we and we know where be ye sunu we boni. I think as soon as I me where ikba be na ya we as na ya wa zigo. Anga se mie waya la wo it's seven ya seven ko e mo the market am me when me we video la Monica na wiu ina wiu la wo we na wiu ina because again na egwa oge ina ogwa ogbe otumo shi na gbe won sa ni me na so la wo it's seven ko nu waja boy we came no riri wa la wo waya boy ni ma we ri e ba mo koko na we ga de go we fi gweri wala gogo iteme wake awe mi kemi wa age ken wa emi ya matalatian emi ya o matalatian emi soro no ami ogbetuma hegu eranu tai o hegu eteke nu biye ugbetuma emi soro no awon emi soro akmo na no gu masenya why not if not agmon imagine life imagine na so waro o ma no gu ma seyan ye kwe aleru when ye wa gu agmon imagine o ma no gu ma so many like that. So ma we yo keke ni ma la go ni ma lao ni ma ge ke ni marie ni ma ge ke ni makete ni ma ge mo ni ma mujodi eke ni ma ge mo ni maria obo o no dey important e do ya bitan Owe salobo anu ege eron motonwa eron mo atonwa oba lo so sisi we ga no salobo baba o so mo wa re dagmo we no re dagmo omona wala gogo my people apaika la gogo ijeme iwa imi awewe o iwa okoko no ware a live video ya eno we we kini ya la gogo mommy Monica wa forgive Monica team yes mugu wa forgive we keep no really way more forgive so ba mi na we jabo with agwe more we keep no really way see alo salobua iye ke do imi na we men no pass through won la gogo the saloba we wa ti we forgive be na maybe akwo we so no we we touch we heart we forgive we understand. So la gogo maybe we akwa are kwa we ti ga mo Monica na dogun o divie o se o ya be ka bo wa we live video na we no ya gun aye matter help issue won asa me na help issue at all eri o ma ya we me eri jo mo ya we me age is number forget the age but ijo mo no hipie ne enyi we ri oni we understand. So abaika oni wogoni abaika la gogo madam ije we give e we na ta we give omomo we give ore na no wa mi we wa fie do kekebe do be san fie ihe va ve ni me se obi san me o me o awu mi azedo be na we ka go bi san no obi san me o me o do kekebe san pa ma ya fefefe kin o ma keke na mi we na do aka we ona obi edo ona obi san ona obi gbo ona obi unsa as far we all are human being. We dey Europe today, we will say we both raise this. Now we the Nigerians, now we raise this pass. We will be Nigeria, now we can't raise this pass. Now we can't raise this pass. You understand? Now not they say, I say, if I dey do my live video, I know they like to they drop phone number. I know why. You understand? Anything when I talk, now my mouth I talk. If you come here now, you can't insult people, can't they call people, they insult people. People no go know you. Now me, they will say Jesse Ugagbe. Now there some person come in that they can't insult me. Maybe I don't support that person. You understand? I don't see as it be. I beg. My kala wo. And no one working. We give you a momo. We send a wabe ladia. We wa dollar. Uwe kwa la kugbe kibie do kibie san pa ma ya fefekin awe edonoma zese o esan edo esan na afia fu arugun yan ropa obi edo apa ya ri obi esan be san pa ya mare obi edo eni nu wo ga pa ma ya yeje o ga pa ma ya yeje na ma igbele gbe ma ba the social media ige viewers na we ma ya make ige viewers ya make my sister owe enye no kick me ne no we live video, drop a message in one drop it. By a market a 1,000 mamutia, 500 mamutia, 600 mamutia, who tell me no answer. Drop a message in one drop. Get a good message, no be encourage ma. Oh my on my say, well, because of a viewers who do have a problem in Ariowa. If you are seeing a shop, he a work all the way. He as a Monica work bewa. Monica now, Benoke, we no really are share where the college of anywhere, la go. Now, I give by where I give a book, where we encourage of money, they are gone. Don't need be audio, audio, and sound, so. I want to new web audio, or another more area, some of the money cake, or maybe wrong, no make been a new web, and whenever. Or maybe been a new web, and whenever. By Calago, go Jimmy. Gaggy, if you talk, I can be a son. Oh, Mamma, yes, fecking. Okay, this one I been new. It shall people good, though, and don't people not good, though, and don't people good, though, it shall not good, though. Oh, Mamma, yahin. Omo no bane to ni pa e mo ya ga e mo ya tu tie o to ne to ni e san mo na de we kan ni yen lewu yan elo we me we okpa mayakin re doge san na we fi we river see Bini see Ishan Bini and Ishan na be the same all of us will be the same Abaika I beg play a role of a mother for this social media I beg it never late. It never let my sister. It never let madam. It never let mommy. It never let EJ play a role of a mother no matter what. You understand? Sometimes small children go they insult you in a way. Me myself I go they feel as oh when I yet see a commenter. Oh when I yet tell me yaro yoya. Sometimes we feel we la go je la ho. We be keveri na. No we fie a side of we be here. We no gba e no one working. Omageke no ne se ka wa do hie ewe eken no de yo to ni bia ka yo we ya lolo omageke o ko tare social media okeke na ye bia ewe o ma me na me ihu ame we no mi egbe na agu we go ma me no balo e be ni me so balo me gbo no mi egbe o mi no wa se we lare iyo ni ya wa no kiwe tele na okumuti agu we gun la wogo my sister onona la wogo wa wetu wa dole doji ona harvest na ya dole doji ona o de na la dole doji o de na ya ria teto na ya ria nie to na ya ria ivieto ni na ya fefeki wa la wogo wa finyi me gwerie no wa la wogo no wa gwe omono ba ne to dole doji onu na ni wa ekeke ni ya latia me gwa tie bono wa igwa robi oma beto ni mari e ma we nu diwi yi ka we igwa tie bo no ma igwa robi oma nori opado atie bo me anti re take won sa di me na so la go my people ibi e bo me abi teme abi rame abi jeme abo seme abi iteme ya kifu ke no be tie mo hian e ruta owe omo no ti o si we me no ti wo hian omo no ri e ba ma so si wo ti ga o hian we no gbe gbese wala gogo we are subscribe to Jesse Ugiagbe TV that a YouTube channel anything a video at the moment we finish a video na block e mo like YouTube Jesse Ugiagbe TV YouTube so e ma ni de mi na ya watch e ba ni wala gogo abira me keke ba bi sheme wala o imi ke lori ri asunu wagi ma ta okoko wagi ma mu ori oto wagi ma support egbe wagi ma ri jobo negbe wagi ma we mi kemi no please o ma we no wa please ma pakeka me say so here say I do what please me sometimes don't do what please you always. You understand? Sometimes do what will please you and please others. It's very important. But tomorrow others will do what will please you. You understand? That is it. Wala go wala ho. Iwa imi bi do ya fe. Ni do ke social media na ya destroy. Wala go like person like a fei. Would you as a weirdo no gele ti egbe wo weirdo no gele we go ba do le etoji and you as a man as a married woman and you have a case. La wo addressing maniko say no matter the situation ne dado le mana fi werie ne a ne dado le love money kana fi werie addressing maniko say mind the way you measure women privacy please make sure you do the right thing so on you we oba top there say on ya go battle the words and the advice you give to people, the way you talk to people, the way you address people with your language. And that is how you help the land to progress. And whatever you know that is abomination in the land of Benin, you will come to live video. Happy Sunday, Sarah. Happy Sunday. You will come to the live video, you will be saying it, mentioning women. I don't want to go there, you understand? La go we wa to your opportunity na we yan mi we. Oko ina wa oko agwegwan. Ima no egwegwan. We ti gwegwan bet stay away from that part you are going. A lot of women in this Europe, they are married women that are really responsible. But there's a lot of women that is married is not responsible. Everybody is not the same. You people don't take everybody because everybody is on live video, everybody are the same. Agboya my brother and sister. There's a lot of people that know how to talk, but they don't want to go to live video and talk. You understand? My brother, Efei, la wo. Address equal say, when we address equal Emma, respect your old wife. Even your old precious mother, respect her as a woman. Respect your daughter as a woman. By the time you respect those people, you know how to measure women private parts. You understand? So la wo, my darling brother, la ho, respect yourself too. You understand? La wo, la ho, iwa ti gwe, inyawe, wala wo, ibi eto ya fefe ni rire, social media ni riwe presenters. Wa we in the respect. One side even now, I want to go deal with social media, with live video, deal with. No matter what, talk to that person with due respect. E wa gbebo wa gbejo hun we na mi we as we wa no after all my we gba we live video ne mi no gba we with due respect we go ekwan e no keke we go ekwan oni ma no ego we ni me wa je me wa go no se me go Iwa talk sense ito e no se me wa go ekwan iwa e mo to solo ba no wa regele wa ta me bet I ro we no se me na ilata na we me ro wi yin me na ti agbera gbeje ni yon no ano we wo sunu mo understand even na wa la wo Fay Bright address him I say wa mo na la de wa disgwagwa e we ti me video na bana o we wa ya nemo ko ni ejesi o ga gbe wa ya nemo ko ya wa disgwagwa my brother la wo la ho jere we ije obie mo no vi okan that woman, you just want to make you happy. Sometimes she's not happy. I must tell you the truth. She wants to make you happy, but sometimes she's not happy. Because by the time you measure women private parts, she will not, you know, that many way, I can't say what the time we honey we are on. Hey, we may go maybe here worry at time we over. At least we address her, respect her now. Respect no she know work it back. Why do you need to worry in a monopia or in a walk away not away? Do you understand? So, why address them away, boy? The never an issue. So, why God address them away, boy? I can go, okay, era we shall pure mona. Not by comments. Not by comment on social media and blah 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 blah. That is why many people say, in your life video, you are responsible. In your man responsible, not all that is not responsible, my people. Hagmoya it must so waro no magally responsible tia o if wa me the live video say na won yin ewe ore no it must so we don't know the live video no get responsible my people wala gogo wa give my address issue we no keke so like a woman now like a lady in here we just agree. I wanted to talk for the issue because of one thing. One reason, because a lot of people that are close to me, they will take it personal. That is why just let me just go direct to the point. Because because I'm not God to judge. I say the truth. You understand? A lot of people will take it personal because all I see is that issue. The woman is very wrong. But when you go into that issue, people that are around me, here will take a personal, we may just see what Google. That is why I just stay away from that part. Many times there is things that I want to talk for this live video. I will just say, you might need that one because you got one. I'm not sick. I want to take away your work with Google now. But that's it, because if you can say one kind. Once I even now, so sometimes if you worry, gotta put him in now. By coming out every day. Oh yeah, if you don't have topic, come on, why a pillow low here? Relax everywhere. Why we here? Man, that's why we are no water. Una beta, una be gwanju we gwanju. Man, dey ma we agboya must wa gwanju me. Una get less of gwanju. Una get we say okay, forget. Why you go na say okay? We your opinion who when we are ready later. We get we measure not dey okay. Anyway, we had a lot of on a time, we have to be like the age of the boy was still never here. When he had issue, head to a year on the phone, head to a year on a in a way, not the hour, not the hour, what is it? Walla go, walla. Brother Bobby, how is everything? Well, sir. Long time. So, no, wala go. It's 7 years. It's 7 years. Ona ibudekme ni wamene. Abi 7 years fefe ni we live video. Waya la go. Emi ya nwata wa gwan se bet wa address maniko wa address my say. We no really agi o ko to wa do wa ko no wa ki oga ya da. Wa yo ni ya gi oga gbon hia. Mo ya opa. Agbon ya fefe opa. Oro wodo. Why walk on the road that one no quite no? O Biera set Bunuje, anyhow. I'm out to Guago, where one will be at the work, where to go to Letoji, why I don't let you. A life is on the son, we are working very quiet. Eh? And when our days, imagine the outside, my brother, having no ma, Lago go. You went away in your weather, at the road you got about. What for you, we're here. If I come on the Monica for your friend, or when you wa go walk on the deco there. The Orion wa, no wire boy, walao, go, walao. Iriana, MG, wire boy with that. Of your boy, I'm not funny. I'm always here, boy, boy, walk a lily. I fear Yamo did not go, walao go. Never a mean answer for video. Now fear Modi don't know go. Have a Jimmy. Why ya boy, wala go no ton. I don't want my boy, nobody wa sawe. Rudolph ye na. Say what tie. You understand the men now wala go wala ho ke do Latin to him wa ya. Maybe we're a joke, no. Maybe on time there's a lot of people in betray the verse no ko tell me where you want ba cannot degbe but on a betray the not Latin do him money pun wala go. It's why I wear Donny, wala go, have commenters, have viewers, wala we are contributing to issue. Okay, social media people. What we are telling not don't love each other. I have to know you know to wa boss here. And that's why we are no not here. Look at your jo. E matter no what do your papa now. E we make better we are what your papa na what in where we ka wa Jesse who get gbenu unta o ma o igwa o ke ni asega no ni a we make ni na wa ka isha wa do ri ya hia wa e matter ate wa be ade to ne wa be tie wa be ya hia wa wa be tie wa be ya hia wa. And one of the commenters and the viewers, all about the problem. Aproko la go. When we are more video ma kema. When la go lao we address issue. Say why we are more video ma where baby are here enjoy. Because so a social media presenter say we keep me dey gbogbo latin. On no more video ma na we ibe no large. If video so we run ma we keke no we see eso. Where we boru dey be amwe. Nema wa ya dere tege la gugun de do ya sawe o ma heme ekoria aproko lao awe mi no keke anyunyi mi no be keke nugwe emi no keke no ma bi awu as a presenters. Excuse me. So la wa gwi anyi me no make keke ne ma be miewe e ma be to take don't just come here go that side. You want to drink water here? Go and tell your sister. So what me no make keke na miewe o we dejo we e ma be take have a miewe e na prokowe mu na go me so na we are address issue so the way we are here rejo he presented. I'm coming. I'm talking. Oh yeah, go and meet and drink water. So the way we are here, he address issue ni. Oh yeah, na me to worry the person with a personal issue. La go my sister. Where they know where our service. Happy Sunday, oh mommy. Happy Sunday, Abotina. How my children? I hope they fine. I want to know where they're fresh because I know they go work like they are sleep eat. Now it's too much. We pour it in his body. So when they know where our customers are, when we try, when we address issue, we no keke. Now la we ne piss me na re in social media. na la go ne matter me na dojo wala abe the commenters, the callers, a lot of people whatever na ko de gun whatever o ma se no do cause a problem no reba na gun o ma se no what se do ri ere yo mania wala go wala ime tigo ime ibi edo ya fefe keni rogwa kake be ni risi ime wa ya fefe wa na we live video wa ga address a live video the way no ya wa address ma the way no ya o ma time yo we edo gelegun na it's very very important. You understand? Some people will go there, you know if you speak English, say your English, what is the important? What is the important for every matter when it they grant? Now the good words when you break come out for your mind, when you break come out for your house, when you take thought to the way you take thought to people, when you take help people life. Many people they darkness, you go help their life. You understand? You go help them with your words. Listen when you still get to when God still bless you. Who will ya pay man? One way free ma we bondage we understand the now procola go address a video no mu e wa mu video so no we wa me wa we a procola ye wa na gbagwe a procola get personal issue with this person. You understand? La we go my people na respect egbe na rujine egbe na address egbe say wala e they address women when the way they address women not good. I beg go and subscribe to Jesse Ugiagbe TV. Go and subscribe, please. As you do, may God bless you all. Happy Sunday to every one of you out here. That's my little message. I know some people go say, come out this evening, go Alabi. Who be that Jesse? She come. But I don't feel so that I say, as I still no rich. Now the way when I no rich, now I still talk, or no be saying that me perfect, I know they perfect, nobody's perfect. So I still they learn, you understand? So can't talk there now when we say they give me sense. I will still just follow up, they learn, you understand? Nobody's perfect. I love every one of you. May God bless you may God bless everybody. May God bless your home. You understand? May God bless your home. Why you have the Monica for your friend? Wallah, we be giving you your friend me. Baby, ya boy. Me jamu me making ogie mo go review. I'm a mother of 3 kids. So okay, mo go review. When I don't know tie da where we set your boy. Excuse me. Okay, close that please. Ige awa boy set your boy. Akwa na rire. Obi mene ya ofedo bi egiwu. Wakimawe lo bon okay. Obi mene do ya ofedo bi egiwu. We can ewu. O bi me wasio mo obodo we do walo niki. Iwe giege. Why can we video now before? Giege ri egbe gbe obi ana kina. And the happiness and money ma wa block eva. Maybe if I not say we ni the money here lama our block Wakimawe no ma de money ma bie. No man I bie but na misbehave. I will make more. No my money, no man I beer no near, but my beer yak money. My more, no do heritage. Every my own heritage, you know, heritage. Heritage, me yakin. Man, the son of now. If you came to Maria, a month, no do roy. Why pastor, boring on my say, while me a cafe, Louis Babela was say, if you came to Rijaji. Luese, Osaloba making out your fiagbe, all you know, that is it. Proud, and where you're talking, Osaloba making out where you talk. When you talk, Osaloba making out for them. It don't have been no one high, out of phone me. Well, I will go. It's 70 at 70. Where I was say, well, I will 70 where I was say, Kekeviyoma, where I subscribe to Jesse Ugiagbe TV. Well, I will, that's my YouTube channel. Jesse Ugiagbe TV, that's my YouTube channel. Yeah, finished with my e-block because a lot of people will try to watch the video later, but I will block it. I will send it again on my YouTube channel. Jesse Ugiagbe TV. May God bless every one of you. Oh no, a message ni wa mene akmoya fefe. If this is the message I have for everybody. Everybody, we are from one God. So about back creating my yafe for so about no we gale no kega or creating my yafe. What's my name or you know? Oh, for the my back mona myself, so about we yabima. Mother again, yam no roin I can't for. So my dog only way we came on with my man jabo. Well, I will go. I can manage jabo, so about making a jabo that man where the no kiki. o we keke no riri wa ki make ijabo ni aguma oposa loboa ijabo ni aguma oposa loboa wala awowo awese 7 ko ona message ni dori ene ivie etowe ivigbo ivia unsa ivie Nigeria Kenya se Kenya rawe awese wagi mommy marere mommy ka so no mommy will be watch the video later. So it is sure a man no say no man receive ye woman receive so man receive come me e mommy na no wala e man na e mommy na o man no temata no why woman no temata mommy Suzy o man no temata e man ni bu mo boleke e be me o ko ni wa gun wa temata ijo da for me no kwa wa nigin o wa gun gele temata we le gele atere o gele tai so egba ma be ni o keke e na do ahiere je me na mo re ba e fowo to e biye wala wo be ye tasi wa ya fefe le Monica offendi wa gwale ke ori wa ya boy nde emono bia ru dibi e mama ke ni ma na ba gbe wala wo wala ho itu wa ya fefe 7 ku obe ke be ne ke kai wa ya subscribe to Jesse Ugiagbe YouTube channel wa wese ke be ne ke kai